Benefits of a community garden, healthier steps. What is a community garden? Today's life is very busy, with work and responsibilities taking up so much time. However, constant work makes the human body tired and we seek peace. This is where the benefits of a community garden can help. Getting outside and feeling physically attached to the ground is a pleasant change. What is a community garden? Today's life is very busy, with work and responsibilities taking up so much time. This is where the benefits of a community garden can help. They can be a beneficial addition to many communities by increasing the availability of nutritious foods, strengthening community ties, reducing environmental hazards, reducing food miles, and creating a more sustainable system. Turning that land into urban gardening space that residents could share would be a win-win for everyone. For the benefits of physical exercise. For a healthy lifestyle. Making fresh produce accessible. They also help reduce the need for food by donating their surplus products to local food banks. Beautifying the landscape. Vacant land that is not kept up can not only be an eyesore but can create hazardous conditions for residents. They create a safe and beautiful place to gather for humans and beneficial plants, insects, and animals. However, it is hard to be successful without some knowledge. Helping reduce crime. Cleaning up the environment. The environment of a community is improved by having an element of natural beauty so that rather than empty lots in some neighborhoods, the space between buildings can be filled with flowers or even food. Stronger communities. Health and wellness. Educational opportunities. Relieving stress and increasing wellness. Preserves green space. Provides opportunities for connection. Access to non-English speaking communities. Community gardens are places where people come together to grow a variety of vegetables, herbs, fruits, and flowers. Community gardens have several benefits to the people and the environment. These gardens create a sense of community among neighbors who are increasingly disconnected from each other. For the benefits of physical exercise. The people working in the garden benefit from exercise and sunshine, as well as the therapeutic benefits of working in a garden. Weeding a garden is particularly effective in stress relief and provides mental health benefits to participants. For a healthy lifestyle. Community gardens contribute to a healthy lifestyle by providing fresh, safe, and affordable herbs, fruits, and vegetables. These all help to relieve stress and increase wellness. Making fresh produce accessible. A lot of urban areas can be described as food deserts, places where it's difficult to find fresh vegetables and fruits. Especially in urban neighborhoods, it can be challenging to regularly obtain fresh produce without having to drive many miles. Beautifying the landscape. In many urban neighborhoods, there are vacant lots that have fallen into disuse. They may be filled with garbage. Vacant land that is not kept up can not only be an eyesore but can create hazardous conditions for residents. Their presence even may cause property values to increase. Gardening knowledge. Growing your own garden is a rewarding experience. However, it is hard to be successful without some knowledge. What time and amount to water, planting in full sun or shade, healthy soil, nutrition, as well as pest control and beneficial insects, are but the many subjects you'll need to know about. Helping reduce crime. Social ties are important to the well-being of people in a community since they can bring positive health effects and community involvement. Community gardens allow for the creation of social ties and build a greater feeling of community. Cleaning up the environment. The plants naturally provide fresh air people breathe. While doing so, they help to create clean air by eliminating pollutants from the air. The plants also absorb rainwater, which means there's less runoff on the streets. This is a result that fewer pollutants get washed into streams, rivers, and lakes. Stronger communities. Sharing a community garden gives people a chance to connect with their neighbors. Gardeners also feel more personally invested in the places where they live, gaining a sense of ownership and community spirit. Health and wellness. Community gardens improve the availability of fresh and high-quality foods, which can help cut down on costs for food and increase the security of food for those who need it the most. Educational opportunities. There are many educational opportunities in the community gardens. They're an excellent space for people to get to know and interact with others who may come from different social, cultural as well as religious backgrounds. Relieving stress and increasing wellness. Modern life is stressful. Most people race from one activity or item on their to-do list to the next without reflecting on why they are doing what they are doing. Preserves green space. Maintaining and developing garden space is cheaper than other options. This is partly because gardens aren't as big, and also because the majority of the cost comes from labor. Provides opportunities for connection. Community gardens offer unique opportunities to establish relationships within and across physical and social barriers, including intergenerational exposure to cultural traditions, cultural exchange with other gardeners, access to non-English speaking communities.